The service of the appellant petitioner was converted from ad hoc to contract wide letter dated 25 July 2007 for 5 years in BS11 first up. The petitioner moved writ petition number 2007 in this court and challenged the order dated 25 July 2007 for appointment on contract being violative of letter dated 31st May 2007 by the Chief Minister first up. This court wide order dated 28 September 2007 directed respondent number 1 to examine the representation of the petitioner and decide the same within a period of 15 days first up. The Directorate of Special Education, Government of the Punjab, withdrew the office letter dated 25 July 2007 and regularized the appellant petitioner wide order dated 22 November 2007 in BS 11 with immediate effect, that is 22 November 2007 first up. The appellant petitioner's request for grant BS 16 was declined wide letter dated 25 May 2010 first up. This order prompted the appellant petitioner to file writ petition number 2011 in which the order dated 25 May 2010 issued by the Directorate of Special Education, Government of the Punjab was assailed first up. It was prayed that the regularization with effect from 22 November 2007 was violative of the direction by the Chief Minister Punjab as competent authority wide letter dated 31 May 2007 had directed regularization of the appellant petitioner services with effect from 12th December 1990. Learned single judge accepted the second part of the prayer, that is regularization with effect from 12 December 1990, relying on Sarfraz Ahmed versus Government of Sindh reported as unclassified cases